Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today I'm making an effective smoothie for weight loss using my special ingredient fenugreek seeds. For this smoothie you will need mixed nuts, oats, ground cinnamon powder, whole chai seeds, apple, and the special ingredient fenugreek seeds. Firstly, I'm going to put all my ingredients into my speed blender. First goes in my mixed nuts. Secondly, my oats. Next, my green apples. These apples can also be part of your 5 a day. After that, some dashes of cinnamon powder. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of whole chai seeds. Now time for my special ingredient, fenugreek. Fenugreek is very good in weight loss smoothies and can also help lowering your blood sugar levels. Get 1 teaspoon of them. So guys, finally I'm going to add some water and cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, this is my fenugreek smoothie ready. I'm now going to serve it into my cup. Okay guys, as I said before, this smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss and can help you improve your sleep and lower your blood sugar levels. Let me know in the comment section where you watch me from in the world. As you are now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.